Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1998 Nissan Elgrand. It has 7,642 original miles. It is powered by the reliable VG33 3.3 liter 6-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. It does come with the 2 front doors, 1 side sliding door, and 1 rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. This one is super clean and it still smells like a new vehicle. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. As y'all can see down here, 12,299, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 7,642. All right, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We will start with the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive factory postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com. Or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. If y'all have any questions, we would be happy to answer them for you. I would like to give y'all a big thank you, or say a big thank you to each and every one of you guys for continually support us. It really does mean a lot to us. I pray y'all have a blessed and safe day. Thank you again so much.